Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Specialist Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the grinder. This one is right here. In order for you to replace the grinder, you really had to disassemble half of the machine. The whole top panel needs to come off. The side panel, entire side panels need to come out, and some part of the base as well, in order for you to be able to service this and be able to remove it. So it's very hard to reach a grinder, but we were able to remove it and successfully install a newer one inside the machine. As you can hear, grinder is definitely grinding. It's right here. We're gonna be doing a shot of espresso, and then we're gonna be using the steam and then the hot water. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice espresso range, going all the way at the top. One ounce of espresso. That's how the customer set it up and made it, so I'm not gonna change that. And as you can see, nice crema coming out of there. Espresso range went all the way to the top. Shower flow from the shower head is nice. Nice steady flow coming out from the group head. Hot water of the machine, as you can see, nice steady stream as well. And for the steam, we're going to be testing it as well right now. As you can see and hear, it's working perfectly fine. Nice foam, nice steam coming out of there. Be able to do a nice foam. I'm going to stop it now. And again, just to show you the flow coming out of this machine. Push it. There you go. As you can see, it's a nice steady flow coming out through there. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Specialista grinding once again, ready to brew and ready to steam. So thank you so much for preparing me Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.